Okay, so here's a really quick follow-up. I had a few of my friends actually look at the video I made on making the custom back cover, the leather cover, on my iPad, and they said the video is a little bit hard to see, but you know, you can kind of, this is really kind of the best I can do. I mean, you can kind of see how none of this peels up or anything. But they asked what materials I made, and so I was going to show you real quick. This is really pretty simple. This is the adhesive I used. It's metal leaf adhesive. You can get this actually at Michael's, craft stores, or Hobby Lobby, or any place like that. And the razor blade I used is I actually use these for a lot of different things. These are the gold plated ones on the end. They say sharper longer, and they come sharper. So Home just asked for the most high quality razor blade that they have, and I did not use it in the holder because I could not get my edge. But when I ran it along the side, I kind of ran it catty cornered like this to give it that rounded edge. And so here is, you know, a piece of that material that I cut off, and as you can see, it's, you know, this is actually a piece. You can see my rounded edge there. You can see this is pretty thin leather right here, and you could really use a vinyl one. This one actually is leather, but a vinyl one from like Walmart or something would use. But as you can tell, it's just a folder, and all I did was I cut the inside piece out. In fact, I have two, because the first piece I cut out when I positioned it on there, I didn't make it wide. I wanted to leave more sticking out the edge on each side, so I cut another piece, which is this one, which made it a lot easier when I trimmed it. And when I trimmed it, I laid it flat like this and cut around here first, and I took my time. I mean, it took me, this whole project was only about 30 minutes, but I mean, just the cutting itself, I took, you know, almost 5 minutes just to cut the first piece, and then probably another 10 or 15 minutes to trim up the sides. So really, like I said, it's just a, you know, a leather or vinyl folder cut up, which now goes in the trash. And this is kind of what the material looks like. This piece is actually stuck because of the you can see the vinyl is, this adhesive is actually still on it, and a razor blade, and again just the metal spray adhesive. And one thing to keep in mind is this isn't permanent. This isn't a permanent solution, which is nice. I mean, I could get a razor blade underneath this without even scratching it and peel this up. The glue would come up, and you could clean the back of this with any sort of solvent, because it is aluminum, and it'd clean up like it was original. So, you know, as this wears down, or if you want a different color, or you don't like it, or the first time you put it on there it doesn't work, it's not a big deal. You can peel this right back up. So there you go. There's the follow-up video. I think my dad's getting an iPad, so I'm going to do one of these for him. Next time I'll actually record the whole process. So thanks.